ServSafe Manager Certification Practice Test 2025. Question 1. What is the main goal of dry storage humidity? 10%, 50% to 60%, 30%, 90%. Dry storage humidity should be between 50 to 60%. Question 2. What is the main goal of pulled eggs rule? Cook immediately or store at 41, discard after 1 hour, store at room temp, freeze. Pulled eggs require special care and 41 degrees Fahrenheit storage. Question 3. Why is jaundice relates to which virus? Important in a kitchen: HIV, norovirus, rotavirus, hepatitis A. Jaundice is a yellowing of the skin/eyes associated with hepatitis A. Question 4. The risk of illness from dry storage humidity is reduced by 30%, 90%, 10%, 50% to 60%. Dry storage humidity should be between 50 to 60%. Question 5. A health inspector will look for IPM stands for to be internal pest monitoring, integrated pest management, immediate pest mitigation, international pest management. IPM focuses on prevention and control. Question 6. In a HACCP plan, minimum water temp for heat sanitizing, sink, might be 171 degrees Fahrenheit 77 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Items must soak in 171 degrees Fahrenheit water for 30 seconds to sanitize. Question 7. How should a food handler manage common allergens? Soy, carrots, soy, turkey, potatoes. Soy is one of the big allergens. Question 8. In a HACCP plan, self-service protection might be gloves, fans, lids, sneeze guards. Sneeze guards prevent contamination in buffets. Question 9. In the context of food safety, coving purpose involves slip resistance, aesthetics, pest control, easy to clean corners. Coving makes floor-to-wall joints easier to clean. Question 10. Which of these is prohibited regarding Bacillus cereus? Toxin, parasite, bacteria in rice/soil, virus. B. cereus is famous for rice-linked illness. Question 11. A food safety manager must remember that high-risk population is elderly people, healthy adults, teenagers, professional athletes. High-risk groups: elderly, preschool children, compromised immune systems. Question 12. When training staff on maximum fridge storage time, TCS, emphasize that 3 days, 10 days, 7 days, 5 days. Prepared TCS food can be stored for 7 days at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Question 13. Effective management of coving purpose requires pest control, slip resistance, aesthetics, easy to clean corners. Coving makes floor-to-wall joints easier to clean. Question 14. How does safe temperature for eggs for hot holding affect food safety? 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 68 degrees Celsius. Hot-held eggs require 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 15. The definition of Anisakis simplex in the FDA Food Code is chemical, bacteria, virus, parasite in fish. Anisakis is a worm parasite found in raw fish. Question 16. When training staff on maximum water temp for thawing, emphasize that 120 degrees Fahrenheit 49 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Fahrenheit 38 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Fahrenheit 21 degrees Celsius. Running water for thawing must be 70 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Question 17. Effective management of scombroid poisoning requires histamine, ciguatixin, E. coli, botulism. Scombroid poisoning is caused by histamine in certain fish. Question 18. Under ServSafe guidelines, shelf stock tag retention is 90 days, 60 days, 180 days, 30 days. Tags must be kept for 90 days after the last shellfish was served. Question 19. How does dishwasher final rinse temp, high temp, affect food safety? 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 82 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. High temp machines need 180 degrees Fahrenheit to sanitize. Question 20. In the context of food safety, drinking in prep areas involves covered container with straw, bottle, open cup, glass. Drinks must have a lid and straw in prep areas.